Hello everyone, this is Anam. Today we will learn Linux command line basic. Okay, this is step 1. Okay, what we will learn? Today we will learn home directory, list directory, navigation outside the directory, making a new directory, making nested directory. Then we will learn making nested directory navigation outside directory, copy a file to another directory. Well, we will we will see the home directory, list of directory, and how create a directory, and how to create multiple directories. And then we will see the how to make a nested directory, and how to create a directory with create nested directory, and how to navigate outside the directory, and how to copy a file on directory to another directory. Okay, let's go to the hands-on practice. Okay, now if you wanted to see your present or current directory, you can write here present working directory. Well, this is your present working directory, home Ubuntu. Well, first I should say this is the server name and this is username. Okay, so now we are Ubuntu user and Ubuntu user home directory in the home directory. Okay, we can use this command to see the current directory. Okay, then we will see in the list of directory ls. This is the directory of files also, and we can see another way ls-l. That's all. Here are all directories and files. This is directory. D means directory, 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 directory. This is the permission of the directory. Okay, then we are going to create a directory. So we need to write mkdir, that means make directory. Then I will write test dir, test dir new. Okay, here same file already exists. Directory 1 2 3. Okay, then enter. So it has been created. Ls to see the directory, is it created or not. Okay, is the directory, just a moment. Okay, I'm clear it, and then ls. This is the directory which we nearly create right now. Okay, we have done directory creation. Then now we are going to create multiple directory at a time. Okay, write mkdir some process. Then we write a directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. Okay, let's create it as directories. Directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. It has been created. So we learn how to create multiple directory at a time. Okay, and then we are going to learn nested directory. That means we will create a directory under the another directory. Okay, in this case we write mkdir, then nested okay, nested dir. Okay, now we have to create another directory. We are going to create under the directory 1, and then write new directory name nested directory 1. Okay, it has been created. So let's check it. We have created under the directory 1 and our newly created directory name nested directory 1. Then cd directory 1. Okay, now we are present in the directory 1, present directory 1. As you can see, now we are staying directory 1. So if you want to see the directories, subdirectory ls, here is the directory which we create few seconds ago, the nested directory 1. So today learn how to create nested directory. Okay, now if you have to know present directory where you want to create a nested directory, you can create a directory and also create subdirectory or nested directory at a time. Okay, how is it possible? Okay, mkdir, then -p, then new directory, and that means this is the first one where we create, and then subdirectory nested or nested. Okay, nested 2. Okay, ls. So now we are going to check it. ls well, nested new directory has created, and also we can see the ls. Okay, here is the nested directory 2. That means we can create at a time nested directory and new directory. Okay, then now how to navigate outside the directory. If you want to back in the directory 1, now we are staying directory 1, new directory 1. So in this case, write a cd and space dot dot. Then now we are back in the 1 step. Okay, if you want to back home directory, then write cd, just cd, enter. Now we are presenting our home directory, present working directory. You can check it in this way. Okay, now we learn how to copy a file one directory to another directory. Okay, now we are going to create a file. In this case, we should create ch touch. Touch means when you create a file, you can use this command touch. Then text 123. Okay, .txt. I'm create a file. Sorry. I have using touch. Okay, touch done. Ls, then touch 123 text. Okay, now we are going to copy this file to a directory. Okay, we'll copy this file. Copy this file to directory 1. Okay, but cp, then file name was text 1 to 3, then directory 1. Okay, directory 1. Okay, done. Okay, here is the screen. Okay, I have to create. Okay, so we are copying the file to directory 1. Enter ls. Okay, now let's check it. Directory 1. Okay, ls. Here is the file which we copy from the home directory text 1 2 3. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. We will learn step by step Linux command line basic, and then we will learn other things. So keep it in touch. Okay.